Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, and safe inside your homes. So, today we are going to continue with the second part of this chapter, that is chapter 7 in civics, that is understanding advertising. So, and how does an advertisement get made? So, how it is actually being made. So it plays a major role in making a brand name. So of course a brand name has to be made. Say for example Nike, Nike, a tick mark sign, Reebok, Adidas, all these are what? All these are different brands. Then advertising is normally done by the advertising agencies, which help in having a marketing strategy so that you are attracted to towards buying it. Next is making an advertisement. It involves high cost, means there are many rupees spent on making one advertisement. Campaigning is done carefully by the companies to promote their products. Like you must have seen that if you drink particular brand of say for example if you have Bonvita, if you have Complan, then you'll be able to run faster, you'll be able to increase your height. So these are what different things which are done to promote the products. So advertising, it includes branding and marketing. So there are many people involved in that. You can see the picture. Now brand values and social works. Now what are the brand values and social work? So advertisement, they play an important role in social and cultural life. Branded products are costly, but companies link them to style, design such that people tend to buy them. So if I wear a Titan watch and come to the school, so then every other person will have a look at my watch and they will be also influenced to buy such branded products instead for going for a local one, instead of going for a local one. So advertisements, they have a personal emotion of the people so that they can buy the products. Advertisement can be done on social media also, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all those things. Now advertising and democracy. So advertising a product, it costs a lot of money. Small manufacturers are not able to compete in the market. So small manufacturers, they will not have an advertisement made for their product. So what they will do, they cannot make advertisements. It makes us believe that the things that are packaged and have a brand name are far better than they do not come in the packets. It means we believe that the branded things are only the ones which have got better quality. The local ones have not got. Why? It is because of the branding, marketing, and stamping which they get in the product. So next we have is democracy is based on equality. It means sometimes advertisement confuses us, that is the customers, and it influences our thinking. So as citizens of democratic country, people should understand that they can take a better decision about whether they wish to buy the product or not. You have to be very sure that you want to buy the product actually, or you don't want to buy the product. So we are living in a democratic country, so it completely relies on us. It completely depends upon us whether we want to buy that product or we don't want to buy that product. So we should see the product carefully and we should not be influenced by the advertisements shown. So we should be very aware. So that was it for today. I hope you have understood it clearly. Thank you and have a nice day.